if we're going to have the strength to get through things when the rough things hit us, we have to build that strength up before the rough things hits us. Does that make sense? Amen. Everything we go through, the Lord, we need him to change our perspective sometimes to see that events aren't just momentary joys or momentary troubles, but they're every single issue. It invites us, it pulls our strength out of us. It invites us to build up those muscles, to have our mightiest muscle, our faith, all in good shape before we get started. Faith is like a seatbelt on a roller coaster. If you're not strapped down for the rough ride, you may fall off. And that's where we don't want to be. That's why we're doing the recovery meeting after this, because we want to stay on the roller coaster. But